External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has said that India is moving ahead to record the largest number of cashless transactions in the world. The 49th meeting of the GST Council is underway in New Delhi. The meeting is being chaired by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Campaigning for Meghalaya Assembly polls slotted for February 27 has gained momentum. Several top leaders, including Union Home Minister Amit Shah, have campaigned in the state. In the Women's T20 World Cup, India will take on England in the group stage match at St George's Park at Gaborone in South Africa this evening. This match will start at 6:30 p.m. Indian time. KL Rahul's bat page continued with Cheteshwar Pujara had a forgettable first inning outing in his 100th test as premium Australian reduced India to 197 for 780 on day 2 of the second test at Delhi on Saturday.